What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. In this video I'm going to talk about a brand new launch from the house of Rasasi, an addition to their HAWAS collection. And here I'm talking about none other than HAWAS Tropical, a perfect scent for this hot summer season. So as the name says, tropical, this is sweet, fruity, salty, oceanic, blue, aquatic type of scent with a touch of some green notes and beautiful coconut. So this is a very sweet, fresh and very versatile type of scent. This is actually Rasasi's take on JPG's Labo Paradise Garden, but this is not an exact copy paste type of thing. Actually Rasasi took that DNA and then they have spiced it up with their own touch. So let's start the review, and as always we will start with the presentation first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So you will get this perfume in that typical HAWAS box. The design, everything is same here. The only difference is the color. The original HAWAS was in black box, then they launched Ice in I think gray box. So here this time they made it in green. So you can see the name of the collection, HAWAS, the name of the perfume, Tropical, the logo of Rasasi on the top, and then badge code and all other details in the bottom. So this is about the box, and now let me show you the bottle. And bottle once again is very similar to the other HAWAS perfumes, and here you go. So the only difference is the color. So you will get this beautiful light green colored bottle here. Same crystal clear glass with these smooth rounded corners and the same iconic metallic heavy cap with that iconic snake around it. So this is about the presentation, and fragrance is really just wow. So this is about the bottle, and now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then we will see that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top you will get coconut water, fig leaf and ginger. Then in the middle you will get coconut, fig and mint. And then in the base you will get sandalwood, tonka bean and musk. So this is the official notes breakdown, and now I will try to explain you that how it actually smells. So here this one opens with a very strong, sweet, fruity notes. Fig is very prominent here. It's sweet, but it's not thick, it's not heavy, it's not sickening. And then it mixed with a lot of blue notes. You will get that oceanic saltiness here, you will get some mint here, and a very prominent note of coconut. So if you are a coconut lover and still you want something blue, something oceanic, something salty and fresh, do check it out, HAWAS Tropical, and you will be loving it. Yes, it's sweet, but it's a very beautiful contrast of sweet and salty type of notes. It's fresh, oceanic and blue kind of scent. Really beautiful. A very fresh and energetic opening you will get here. And then towards the second phase, you will get some sweet tonka with some fig leaf. And then finally in the dry down, you will get that soft, creamy type of sandalwood. So the whole journey is very nice. The overall structure of the perfume remains the same. You will keep getting that blue and oceanic type of vibes from start till end. Fig will be there, that mintiness will be there, that sweet fruitiness will be there. But you will be able to feel these three different phases once you start wearing this perfume, and once you let this perfume grow on yourself. So this was about the fragrance of HAWAS Tropical. This is very similar to JPG's Labo Paradise Garden, but in my opinion this is a little bit more. There is some extra touch from the house of Rasasi, as they did with their all other perfumes. So if you like Labo Paradise Garden and you love that DNA, that sweet bubblegummy blue oceanic type of scents, then you're definitely going to love it. Do check it out, HAWAS Tropical. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So first of all, let's talk about performance. Performance wise, when it's Rasasi and when it's HAWAS, so performance can't be an issue here. This perfume rocks really hard. It's a beast kind of scent. The projection is great for the first couple of hours, and the total longevity you will get from this perfume is, I can say, 6 to 8 hours easily with the 6 sprays indoor. And if you're going outdoor, you can add like little bit more pumps. I can say you can start with like 7 to 8 sprays, 8 to 9 sprays, and you'll be good to go, and you will be good to rock for the whole day. So this is about the performance. Performance is not an issue here at all. Now let's talk about the gender. So this is a pure masculine type of scent, but ladies, they can still check it out because it's sweet. So some ladies can rock it. And if we talk about the age group, no age barrier. Anyone can rock it easily. And now let's talk about the season or weather. So this is a perfume which can be used in summers, definitely, but you can also rock this perfume in spring and in autumn. And now let's talk about the occasion. So this perfume is a very versatile scent. You can use this perfume in any kind of scenario, in your office, in your gym, in malls, in your school, colleges, on a date, on a party, in the club. It's going to work in any kind of scenario. So a very versatile scent. And now let's talk about the price. So you will get this perfume in 100 ml quantity with Eau de Parfum concentration and with this beautiful presentation. And the current price of this perfume inside UAE is, I think, around 165 to 170 something. It's not available on the official website of Rasasi until now. I don't know why. But you can easily find it with other resellers. So once you are going to Google this perfume, you will see that some good reputable resellers are selling this perfume. So this was about HAWAS Tropical. For me, this is a great scent for these summers. If you are looking for something versatile which you can use in any kind of scenario, then check this out. So this was my review about HAWAS Tropical. I hope you liked it. I'm going to catch you in my another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.